Welcome back to the channel where we take the guesswork out of your shopping. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between the GorFanty Steam Mop and the REECOO Steam Mop. Sounds like a real squeaky clean rivalry, doesn't it? So grab your rubber gloves and let's mop the floor with these contenders. Figuratively, of course. First up, let's talk about the price. GorFanty comes in at a whopping $139. That's like paying for a fancy dinner, but instead of a delicious meal, you get clean floors. Reviewers have praised GorFanty for its versatility and effectiveness, making it worth the price. On the other hand, REECOO is practically giving itself away at $69. That's less than the cost of a pair of shoes that you'll only wear once. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, but some note that it might not clean as thoroughly as a more expensive option. So if you're on a budget, REECOO might just be the one to sweep you off your feet. Now let's dive into functionality. GorFanty is a 10-in-1 multi-purpose steam cleaner. It's like the Swiss Army knife of steam mops. Reviewers have highlighted its powerful cleaning and ease of use, making it effective for various tasks. REECOO also claims to be a 10-in-1 cleaner, but it's more like a very enthusiastic intern. While it can clean multiple surfaces, some users feel it's lacking in accessories and overall effectiveness compared to GorFanty. So while GorFanty has the versatility, REECOO covers the basics well enough for light cleaning. Let's talk about heat-up time. GorFanty takes just 20 seconds to heat up, which is great for those quick cleaning sessions. Reviewers appreciate the adjustable steam modes, perfect for tougher dirt. Now REECOO claims to heat up in 15 seconds. That's impressive. Many users have found it heats up quickly, but some have noted issues with consistent steam production. Overall, both appliances heat up quickly, but GorFanty has a slight edge with its adjustable settings. Water tank capacity. GorFanty's tank holds 300 milliliters, allowing for longer cleaning sessions before needing a refill. Reviewers love this feature, as it means less interruption during cleaning. REECOO has a 280 milliliters tank, which is slightly less, but still adequate for most cleaning tasks. Users report it allows for a decent cleaning time, but they may need to refill a bit more often than with GorFanty. So while both are functional, GorFanty takes the lead here. Finally, customer service. GorFanty promises high-quality products and excellent support, which reviewers confirm with positive experiences regarding assistance. On the other hand, REECOO also offers 24/7 customer service. Some users have had mixed experiences with their support, but generally, they found it helpful. So no matter which mop you choose, you'll have someone to call when things get messy. Overall, GorFanty Steam Mop is praised for its versatility and efficiency, making it a favorite among users who need a powerful cleaning tool. In contrast, REECOO Steam Mop is appreciated for its affordability and quick heat-up time, but some users have reported issues with cleaning effectiveness and durability. So there you have it, folks. The GorFanty Steam Mop is the luxury option with all the bells and whistles, while the REECOO Steam Mop is your budget-friendly buddy that still gets the job done. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, whether you're mopping like a pro or just trying to avoid the dust bunnies under your couch, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product comparisons. Until next time, happy cleaning!